Good day everyone. I'm Jan Andre Alfonso and today I'm excited to share our eco-friendly tour package, a sustainable journeys in Sikihor. It is designed specifically for honeymooners. This 3-day and 2-night package combines romance, adventure, and sustainability on the beautiful island of Sikihor. Now, let's move on to the target audience and the package overview. Our package is tailored for honeymooners who value sustainability and want a unique experience. This eco tour provides couples with the perfect balance of relaxation and exploration, allowing them to connect with Sikihor's natural beauty while promoting the responsible tourism. Now, the package inclusions. So our package includes first the transportation. We provide round-trip ferry transfers from Dumaguete to Sikihor and all local transfers. Now the second one is the accommodation. The couples will stay at Coco Grove Beach Resort, known for its sustainable practices like solar energy, water conservation, and eco-friendly toiletries. And the third one is the meals. The breakfast, lunch, and dinner are provided each day with fresh and locally sourced ingredients to highlight the Filipino flavors. Now lastly is the guided tours. The guests will visit the best of Sikihor, including the famous Cambugahay Falls, scenic Salagdong Beach, and the cultural heritage site to learn about Sikihor's tradition. Now, let's move on to the detailed itinerary. So, at day 1 at 8 a.m., they'll meet at the Dumaguete Port for ferry departure to Sikihor. And at 10 a.m., it is the arrival in Sikihor, and transfer to Coco Grove Beach Resort, and check-in at 10:30 a.m. The guests will also receive a welcome drink and a brief orientation. And at 12 p.m., lunch at the resort's beachfront restaurant, where they'll enjoy fresh and local dishes. And at 1:30 p.m., afternoon tour to Salagdong Beach, known for its crystal clear waters and cliff diving spots. Couples can relax, swim, and explore until late afternoon. Next one is at 5:30 p.m. They'll return to the resort for the sunset viewing on the beach. And at 6:30 p.m., they'll have their dinner at the resort, featuring the locally sourced Filipino cuisine. Now let's move on to the day 2. So day 2, at 7:30 a.m., they'll have their breakfast at the resort. And at 8:30 a.m., they will depart for a guided tour of Cambugahay Falls, where guests can swim in the famous three-tiered waterfall and take turns on the rope swing. And at 12 p.m., they'll have their picnic lunch at Cambugahay Falls with time to relax and enjoy the surroundings. And next one is at 2 p.m., they will return to the resort for free time to enjoy the beach, spa services, or the pool. And at 6:30 p.m., they'll have their romantic dinner with ocean views at the resort's main restaurant. And lastly is at day 3. So at 8 a.m., they'll have their breakfast at the resort. And 9 a.m., a cultural heritage tour to a nearby village where guests can learn about Sikihor's history, folk traditions, and the local crops. Next one is at 11:30 a.m. They'll return to the resort for check-out preparations. And 12 p.m. they'll check out and transfer to the port for ferry departure. And at 2 p.m. ferry departs from Sikihor back to Dumaguete. So now, after the detailed itinerary has been discussed, let's move on to the pricing and the sustainability. The total cost for this package is only 15,000 pesos for 2 people. By choosing Coco Grove Beach Resort and local tours, we ensure that our package is both eco-friendly and beneficial to the local community. We support sustainable practices like water conservation, eco-friendly toiletries, and the partnerships with local guides. So lastly, in summary, our Sikihor tour package offers honeymooners a unique blend of relaxation, adventure, and a sustainable travel. A Sikihor tour package provides a magical journey through one of the Philippines' most enchanting islands. Known for its natural beauty, Sikihor is ideal for nature lovers and adventure seekers. Package often include visit to the famous Cambugahay Falls, where you can swim in the clear blue pools or try the rope swings. Another highlight is the Salagdong Beach, offering white sands, crystal clear waters, and cliff diving spots. Adventure activities may include snorkeling and diving as well, showcasing the vibrant coral reefs and the marine life. So many packages offer sunset beach dinners or seaside accommodation for a relaxed experience. Local guides often share stories of Sikihor's folklore, adding a unique cultural touch. So overall, a Sikihor tour package blend adventure, relaxation, and the cultural immersion is an unforgettable island experience. We look forward to welcoming couples to experience the enchanting beauty of Sikihor while promoting responsible tourism. Thank you for considering our package.